Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a blockchain wallet account, only ways. Start by backing up your recovery phrase and exporting all transaction history right away to preserve records. Locate your wallet provider's account settings and find the close or delete option, then follow each prompt precisely. If you use a non-custodial wallet, remember deletion may only remove local data, so transfer tokens first before confirming. Prepare by auditing connected dApps and checking smart contract approvals before you start the deletion process to avoid lingering risks. Use reputable revocation tools to remove on-chain allowances and log any changes you make. For custodial accounts, contact support to confirm closure requirements and identity steps. If keys are compromised, move funds first, then proceed with deletion, and keep records of all transactions and confirmations for your protection. Quick recommendation: if you meal prep, grab these leak-proof containers for easy packing and spill-free lunches. They stack neatly and seal tightly. They're microwave safe and durable, so cleanup is simpler when you're moving funds rather than lunch boxes. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear wallet guides. Check the description for the product link and other deals I mentioned. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. Execute deletion by first transferring remaining funds to a secure address and verifying balances on-chain to avoid lost assets. Remove linked devices and disconnect third-party dApps from wallet settings so no external access remains. For local wallets, securely wipe seed material and remove encrypted backups, then uninstall software. For hardware wallets, follow the manufacturer factory, reset steps, and destroy backups you no longer need before finalizing account closure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.